This is Rob at recoverylawn.com. Today we're going to be resurfacing a cracked, pitted, spalled driveway for under $200 with supplies I bought down at Lowe's. So let's take a look at it. As you can see, there's quite significant cracking. This is all spalled out. Huge cracks here. I went through here with a scraper and scraped up most of this and pressure washed it. I filled these cracks with some liquid crack filler, Quikcrete crack filler, and put this piece in here in the expansion joint to make sure that the slab, if there's any movement, it can still move. So as you can see, it's in pretty bad shape, but we're going to fix that today. Well, my name is not Rob from recoverylawn.com. So what we're going to do first is we're going to have to mix up a thicker version of the concrete replacement to mortar into these big areas. So we're going to have to fill these cracks in. We're going to fill in these large spalled areas a little bit, as well as these thick cracks to make a smoother level surface. We're using Quikcrete. It's concrete resurfacer. I got it at Lowe's. All this stuff I got at Lowe's. So you're going to need a broom, you're going to need a scraper, and you're going to need a squeegee to apply this stuff.